Hi, today I have one yellow for you guys. This one was sent to me by Obienye, thank you very much for sending it to me. It was without any key, no notes, no nothing. The only thing that I know that I think he mentioned he will put some surprise locks. So I have no idea if this one is a challenge lock or not, or it's a, like something standard just for fun. So I have no idea. So I'll try to pick this one, and I think just to rearrange things I will use this. Yeah. And of course the forest diamond for start, because I have no idea what is inside. And yeah, let's do counterclockwise, and maybe we'll change that. Maybe I'll change the, depends on the lock, if it's maybe a challenge lock, we'll see. So let's start. 1, 2, 3 clicks from the first one, so serrated. So now 6, I think I counted 6 small click. So let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 click. 1. Feels like a challenge lock. Maybe not. We'll see. Definitely 6 pins lock. Our set pin number 1. Couple of clicks from 1 again. 2 click, 3 nothing, 4, 5, 6 couple of click, and I am in deeper falset. So 1, 2, 3, so long pin, full set, 4, 5. So let me release the tension a bit. 1, 2, 3 fill set, but it's so long. So probably he did some tricks putting that third pin as a very long, and maybe fourth one very short or something like that. So a couple of clicks from 4 and 5. A lot of serrations. One, 2, 3. It's very, yeah, ours pin 3. 3 is definitely very long one. So I need to start now from, yeah, I touch pin number 6 now, and in deep falset. 1, 2, it gave me counter rotation, click from 2, but I lost that deep falset. So let me go, yeah, pin 5, pin 6, 1, 2, 3. I got back the falset. I think I overset pin 3. So probably I will need some deeper hook for that pin 4. 3 fill set, cannot even touch pin 4. 5, and yeah, deep hook to try to, or maybe I will need a 0.4 millimeter. Yes, pin 4 is giving me counter rotation. I know if I will able to pick, yeah, we open. He put the pin number 4 as very short and pin number 3 as very long one, but I'm glad that I picked I think maybe this is a challenge lock, maybe not. Probably he will put comment down and say if is or if it's not. I do not have a key, but I'm glad that I picked this one. Very interesting one. So this is the housing. I will need this. Wait. I will need this. Yes. No, I need to. If I go it like this, the pins will interact with. Yeah. So I think I'm good for now. Yes. So let me grab like this. Come on, move. The pins needs to move. Yes. Like this. They're on the top. Where's my shim? Shim follower. Yes. Yes. Definitely 6 pins. 6-pin lock, and I can see a T-pin. Interesting. First is the standard, second standard short, third very long, fourth very short, fifth and sixth they are serrated. But let me check. Nothing done on the core. Where's my tweezers? Standard rearrange the pins and yet custom made serrated pins. Interesting one. Wait, what was the? Yeah, I think this was the front. So serrated first one, spool second one, yes. Third one is against. Oh, it's a tip in the third one. That's why I overset. Nice. Fourth one, it's a mushroom. Fifth one is serrated, and the sixth one is a standard. I think all the springs are the same. Let me dump the springs. So very interesting. One of them is not similar but not the same. Maybe I can ask him how is official. Maybe there is nothing, probably it's nothing done on, nothing is done on the body. So here are all the pins. Let me zoom it a bit. Let me try to show you the pins. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 they are standard, 5 and 6 they are serrated, 6 is even driver, it's not a key pin, and the fifth one is T-pin with the serrations. Interesting. One driver is serrated, spool, T-pin, mushroom, standard serrated. Fantastic pins and interesting, to be honest. I did not expect. Feels like a challenge lock with a more or less standard pins, except this fifth pin is a homemade, and maybe the T pin is a homemade pin. So yeah, Obienio Brave, thank you very much for sending this lock to me. It was a very interesting lock to pick. So guys, check his channel. I will put links over here. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye. Oops.